So we got this situation, the number of rational terms in the expansion of this. Okay, so we have to find out number of irrational, number of irrational. So you know that whatever may be the question is, we should follow the number of rational term. Okay, so the number of term is what? Number of terms is 61, correct? And the number of irrational term will be total number of terms minus rational terms. Okay, so first we will try to find out the number of rational terms. So for that we will take help of general term. General term. Okay, so it is 60 cr 7 to the power 1 by 5 power something minus 3 to the power 1 by 10 power r, and then 60 minus r. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now I'll be segregating things. So it is 60 cr and then 7 to the power 60 minus r by 5 and then minus 1 power r and then 3 power r by 10. Okay, so I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now you know that if this power and this power are integer, we will be getting rational terms, correct? So this means we want both power to be integer, correct? Now so look at this. So can I write r by 10 as z? We want integer, so r will become what? 10z. Now you know that r will range from what to what? R starts from whole number and ends at the power n. Okay, but r is 10z. Okay, so it is 0. Now you have to divide both all side by 10. So this is 0, this is z, this is 6. So we got z as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now try to observe your this power, whether at these condition, because at these condition these are to 100% integer. Okay, now we have to make sure 60 minus r, who is r? 10z. 60 minus 10z by 5 is integer or not. Okay, so take z as 0. So if z is 0, you got 60 by 5, which is an integer. Now take z as 1. So it is 10. So you got 50 by 5. It is integer. Now take 2. This pass, this pass. Now take 2. So it is 60 minus 20, 40 by 5, which is an integer. Now 3, 60, sorry, 60 minus 30 will become 30 by 5, which is an integer. 4, 20 by 5, integer, pass. Okay, now 5 is 50, so 50 is 10 by 5, which is an integer. Now 6, so 60 minus 60, 0, 0 by 5 is an integer. Okay, so these all z passes the condition. Now for these z we got integral terms. Okay, now so how many z we got? We got 7z. So we will have 7 rational term. Okay, so the number of irrational term will become what? 61 minus 7. Okay, so it is 54. The number of irrational term we got as 54. 4. I hope the idea is clear.